What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Veronica.Em here, back with another video. So today we're doing another hair video. I was going to take off my wig and wash it, reinstall it, do a good reinstall. But before I do that, I was like, I want to try a hairstyle. So we're going to be doing a sleek ponytail on our lace wig today, as you can see by the title. And we're just going to hop right into it. So I have my hot comb here heating up. And let me show you the products I'm gonna be using. I got some Got To Be glue spray. I got some mousse, just in case. Ain't really nothing in here. And then I have my wax stick, brush, comb, and then if we need anything else as we go through, we'll just get it. So what I'm about to do is part out my hair. So you could do a middle part or you could do a side part. I'm gonna attempt to do a side part because I always do middle part stuff and I want to change it up. Oh my goodness, girl, this hair look crazy. Yes, it's time for a reinstall because this is a mess. So I'm gonna just brush this out real quick and we gonna make it do what it do. Look at it lifting. Oh boy. All right, so I'm gonna be doing a side part. I don't know if I want to do this side or this side. I think I'm going to do this side. So let me shoot a clip. So for the ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead, brush the hair out. If you're doing baby hairs and stuff, you could take your baby hairs out in the beginning and just like put them to the side, like just twist them out. That way you don't have to, when you do the ponytail, right? Like you want to do the ponytail, instead of having to dig it out after you got the ponytail all together, you could just pull it out and clip it with a small clip and put it to the side. So I already have some baby hairs here. I hope that makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and brush. Get all the kinks and knots out. Make sure that wig's secure, okay? Make sure it's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick again and go around where the ponytail going, start going. And y'all already know, take that hot comb and get that thing slicked down. I like to grip on it and then hot comb it through, just to really get it all the way through, get that heat going and get it slick. Now I'm also gonna take my Got to Be glue spray. I'm gonna go ahead and put the scrunchie on. So don't do it too tight, okay, where it's hurting your brain. Like, we don't want that. Just do it tight enough to where the ponytail is secure. You're gonna do it like this and pull that through. Okay, I'm gonna brush this. We'll style the actual ponytail in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and take some more of my Got to Be glue spray and spray that on. And I'm just gonna take the base of my hot comb and slick that down. Don't burn yourself, okay? Do not burn yourself. I've been doing hair for a while. Some of y'all might not know. I've been doing hair for a couple of years. And I've just never been consistent with doing hair. And I really do enjoy doing hair. To be honest, maybe that's another discussion for another video. But I do enjoy doing hair. And I don't think people really know the amount of styles and different things that I can do. And of course, I've improved over the years. But I started officially doing hair. And when I say hair, I'm talking about like wigs and weaves and styling and curls and silk presses and all that. Like fresh out of high school. I started getting into it in high school. Anyways, this ain't a ranting video, but yeah. So anyways, here's the ponytail. Okay. And now we're gonna work on the bang. Actually, I forgot we had this was covering this whole side, so I don't really need baby hairs over here, but just right here we'll keep them. So I'm gonna brush this through. Brush it through, comb it through, do what you want. I'm doing this hairstyle on me, so I'm not really concerned about how I'm brushing and combing and damaging the wig and stuff, because this is my wig and I'm doing it on me. But if it was somebody else, I would take my time and really do what I need to do, okay? There's your disclaimer, just in case. Be like, she being too rough. She coming out the wig. Like, relax. So, here we go. I'm going to take my hot comb. Hey, Light, I need you to do what you need to do now. And I'm going to hot comb it through. Take my brush. And when it comes to the bang is could be a little tricky, because you really got to place it how you want to place it while still getting it to be laid in the back, you know, like this piece laid in the back attached to ponytail, and without having humps up here. You ever tried to do the bang and a ponytail and you have the hump at the top? We don't want that. So make sure you brushing and holding and molding and shaping it the way you want it to be shaped to your face. If you want it all over here, then shape it that way. I don't want it all over here on my nose and my eye. So I'm gonna just shape it and brush it how I want it to be shaped. And then we're gonna secure it. And I'm actually gonna take some Got To Be glue spray and spray it here as well. That way it's just molded down. Let me take my hot comb. And just mold it how you want to mold it. All right, y'all, so I think I got it how I like it. I think this is good enough. So I'm gonna take the piece of the bang that still needs secure, and I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail. Okay, like this. Now the bang piece isn't that long. I don't know if you can see. It's not that long for me to wrap, so I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, take my little bobby pin, and secure it in place. And this is just the quick version to a sleek ponytail on a wig, okay? This is like if you had an event to go to and you just wanted something quick and different, this is the quick version. If you want a more fancy one, that's a whole different video. I'm gonna just make sure this is secure in all places. And then you could also take a scrunchie and put it around it too to make sure you actually really get it. I'm not gonna do all that because I ain't going nowhere, so. I ain't going nowhere, so I ain't gonna do all that. So I'm gonna just bobby pin it in place for right now. And then you could take a piece of the hair from the actual ponytail and wrap that around to make sure it's even more secure. Now this wig is kind of short. I would prefer to do a ponytail on a longer wig, but this is still cute, you know? This is still cute. And like I said, I'm not going nowhere, so I ain't doing the whole 9. If you really wanted to look sleek, you could put the spray, the Got To Be glue spray, on the piece you just wrapped around and really brush it out so it could look real slick. But I ain't going nowhere, so I ain't doing all that. And let me just bobby pin this in place. Okay. Now, actually, I am going to use a little bit of the mousse. Hopefully this stick. I'm just use a little bit to slick the bang down and the sides. So we do like this. And just brush gives it that shine at least. Good enough. Okay, so let me show y'all how I'm about to fix this right here. I have this hair color spray. You guys be seeing the little tint sprays. You can use that too. Or if you have none of that, here's my little secret. Use mascara. So I usually take mascara when I'm in a rush and to cover it up. But ain't no more mascara in here. So we gonna use this. And I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna use the tail of it to block the part in. That way I don't get it in there. I'm gonna just do it the best way I can. Since it's a curved part, it's a little more difficult, so be careful. But I'm gonna just spray to cover it up. Y'all see how that did that? And then I'll go back and clean it up, put some concealer in the part, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so baby hairs. I'm not gonna do too much. Let's just comb it out first. Now, I don't know if I wanna do curly baby hairs or swoop baby hairs. These are long because I was doing curly baby hairs. You know, baby hairs are usually a little shorter than this. But, So I usually use an old toothbrush to lay my edges, but I don't have any. And I don't have that many toothbrushes left. I gotta go restock. So we're gonna use a spoolie brush. The spoolie works just fine as well. Or you can use a comb. This video wasn't about my edges, so I'm not gonna focus on these right now. I'll fix this later. But this is basically the ponytail, you guys. You can go in, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and flat iron this so that it's a little more straight and more silk. But I was just trying to show you the base of the ponytail. So this is it. This is what it's looking like. And if you want a more fancier ponytail tutorial, let me know, where we do diamonds and all that cute stuff. Like I said, this was just a simple one. If you want something different, you're in a rush, but you want to look cute, you could do this style. So here's the finished product, y'all. I need a thumbnail. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, this hair video. Comment down below some more hairstyles that you want me to try. If you find them on Pinterest, Instagram, I'm down for whatever. Send them to me. Follow me on all my social media. Follow my main page at _goldenv. Follow and shop luxury at Gardenian Gold. And everything will be linked in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.